Ready? This is Yubi. This is Yubi.
Hi, what's up, guys? We're here. We're gonna
do some drone shots.
We're gonna do some drone shots.
Yeah, she has her Mavic Air and the Mavic Pro. That's what we're doing today.
Dude, it's a little windy.
You should be good. You should be good.
Let me see. Oh, this is the GoPro. Dude, I like this. I could be like, I don't know, what's up? This is LA. You know, I'll go to the grocery store, be like, mira, abuelita, no puedo encontrar el bistec. Todo el mundo no sabe qué es bistec. Ma'am, it's beef steak, ma'am, beef steak. No, dijo bistec, okay? Dijo bistec. Come on, let's go. Hey, okay, so I'm gonna grab my drone. I charged everything, so hopefully everything's
batteries, or is it different? No, it's different. We have here Yubi teaching me about filmmaking.
I do. Like, okay, so you need to always have a little tripod, because the thing I love about this tripod though, like, bro, I need to get sponsored. Wrap this thing around anything. I wrap it.
Sponsor
it, like,
Yubi 2021.
It falls.
2021.
I know. Sponsor me, right? So look, you just kind of like. Hold up, I got this. Hold up. Okay, so you go like this, right? And the thing is, like, you can move this thing, right? So you move it, and then you put the thing in, tighten the camera, bring it this way. Look at that shit. Look at that.
That's pretty
and
clean.
Then we just kind of get.
Just have to take a selfie filming. Okay, whoa, Yubi, whoa.
Rotate across 360 degrees horizontally, now sideways.
She's calibrating it right now.
I do it this way. Or I'm gonna just, oh, calibrate fail. Damn it.
We are about to get a shot under the bridge. She's gonna run towards the middle right here, and then the drone is supposed to go all the way on top over there. Are you ready for the shot? I'm gonna throw a cumbia mix on top of this one. Oh! She's moving all the way over there right now. We are about to do a TikTok, right? Did you see him? The UV edition of Dora.
Swiper. No swiping. Hola amigos, we need your help. Edgar is on his way with Tóxica número 1. Can you say Tóxica? I can't see. No puedo ver. I need your help. Is it Tóxica 1, Tóxica 2, or Tóxica 3? Who do you think it is? We need to get the camera inside the car.
Second TikTok. Wait, no. Yeah, second TikTok, right?
Second TikTok already.
Turn on the drone really quick. All right. So here's the objective. Okay, so right here.
Okay.
Get the drone up in the air. And then have the shot go towards all the way over there to get the city view. And
could you try again?
Siri's all here fucking me up, yo. All right, ready? Check this out. I haven't even started. It already looks so cool. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's get that shot.
Ciao, benvenuto al Filippino.
안녕하세요. 어떻게 당신이 디지페어에 오신 것을 환영합니다.
I still have that video.
What video?
Okay, I'll post it.
Bienvenidos a mi restaurante. Acabo de abrir este nuevo restaurante aquí en Los Ángeles, donde vienen a comer toda la gente. Súper feliz. Y si no vienen a mi pinche restaurantes, les voy a dar una santa chicken. Wow, it's gonna be
Yeah.
sick, bro. I'm gonna be hella cold.
Hopefully it's not closed.
I brought like a sweater.
I've been trying to call.
Here. Oh, do that too.
I've been on my own for long. Maybe you can show me the stars. Maybe